Welcome back to Atomic Bytes. In this episode, we're looking at our Unity box collecting project, and we're going to add a second level to our box collecting project. So there's a number of ways to do this. You can add a new scene here, or you can duplicate a scene with Control D, and oftentimes duplicating will work better to just spawn you in the same spot. Creating a new scene like this could cause issues, so you may need to build and test to see which method is right for you and how your player spawns into the second level when you get your second level added, like we are here. So we're going to go ahead and name our second scene Box Collecting 2, and we're going to offload our Box Collecting 1, and then we can work on building our second level for our box collecting project game here in 3D. So we're going to add another ground platform like we did for the first level. If you started with us back at the beginning of this tutorial series, we label this box ground and name it ground so that we have it labeled and we can know what we're in contact with in the game. Then you can choose one of these materials. I thought the brown was well suited for being the ground. If you want a different color platform to work off of, you can have a different colored platform to work off of. Just make your color selection from the materials here in the art folder. And then of course we're going to want some prefabs from the prefab folder. And you can make your selections, build your second level however you want. Maybe you want it a little bit different than your first level. I'm going to put some more prefabs in this one than we had in the first level. So you can build yours out exactly how you want it using these prefabs, or maybe you want to find another asset package as well. But we're going to rotate this tunnel around to kind of go between these two building structures and kind of facilitate that movement and get that situated how we want. And then once you have this positioned, you can move on and finish adding other prefab elements, game objects to your scene. I'm going to add some walls as well and a couple ramps, so and add a total of 4 of these building structures as well. So I'm going to keep building this out how I want it. And that's all we're doing in this episode, is just adding some more things to a second level, building out a second level however you want it. Give yourself some places to hide more boxes, maybe behind some walls, inside the tunnel, inside the buildings, or up on top of the buildings. However you want to work this for your level and your game, but have fun with the design aspect of it, and we'll go from there in the next episode. So just going to keep working and repositioning these walls, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the ramps as well. And then to finish up, I'm going to select the ramp. Just put a couple ramp platforms here. If you want to put boxes on this, you could do that too. And just have a place to kind of break up the scene and add some more elements and interest to your scene. So of course, as you're building out this scene, don't forget to add your boxes, however many you want. In this case, put the box below the plane of my ground platform, so you just need to place these with the placement tools in your scene where you want them. However many you want, make sure you tag it as well with the box to collect or whatever tag label you're using for this box object in your game scene. And then I like to assign it a color as well and give it a color. And then I'm going to place a few of these around the scene and duplicate this and then reposition them. So hope you enjoy building your second level. And in the next episode, we're going to look at how to transition from the first level to the second level. So stay tuned for that.